The Howdy Foot Massager 2025 offers a comprehensive relaxation experience with its three-dimensional foot massage capabilities, combining kneading and air compression to effectively relieve foot pain. This device provides soothing heat reaching up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, promoting better blood circulation and muscle relief, especially beneficial during colder months. Designed with user convenience in mind, this foot massager is lightweight at 5.3 pounds and features a 6-foot power cord, making it suitable for use in various settings such as home, office, or gym. It accommodates feet up to size 12, ensuring full coverage and a relaxing massage experience for a broad range of users. The massager is easy to maintain with its detachable and washable foot sleeves, and its scratch-resistant shell is simple to wipe clean, ensuring long-lasting hygiene and durability. As an ideal gift, the Howdy Foot Massager 2025 is perfect for any occasion, offering a thoughtful present for athletes, desk workers, or anyone suffering from foot pain.